Hello, I'm here at 6541 Southeast 89th. I'm here to introduce you to Tracy Rossi. She's the Executive Director of Friends of the Children. My name is Sidney Lynne, owner of Hudson Homes, and I choose to support Friends of the Children. And I'm here to tell you about one of the homes that they started with. And Tracy's here to tell you where the organization is now and why they exist, what they do, and what their results are. It's great to meet you, Tracy.
Thank you so much, Sydney. Glad to be here and so excited that we're sharing a little history about the house here. Yes, it's been an important part of our organization because as a 27-year-old organization, this is one of the buildings that we started at the beginning. It's part of our origin story. And what we do at Friends of the Children is we pay mentors. We have salaried professionals who mentor youth starting from kindergarten through 12th grade. And we believe that our mentors are there for the youth that we're able to serve no matter what. And so having a home like this is where our mentoring program started. We would have mentors and youth come into a safe place, play games, cook meals, do puzzles, just connect as part of that mentoring journey. And we're really excited about the fact that we've outgrown the space because we have a larger space that we had built over in the Rockwood neighborhood. But of course, this is where it all began.
I'm so excited to represent your organization and put this out on the marketplace. We're looking for another family or people to pass on the torch to this house. It does have an amazing history of mentoring children. There's an awesome park next door. I know your mentors took them next door, taught them roller skating, basketball, skateboarding, and really supported those kids when their parents just really don't have the mental or financial capability to support them. So this home has wonderful energy, wonderful history, and so anyone will be able to come next weekend when we're taking bids for this amazing property, which is a big, beautiful house. And then there's also an outbuilding out back where a lot of the youth played games and had fun. I know there were barbecues on the property. So thank you so much, Tracy, for explaining what your organization, coming here, giving me a head start on letting the public know about how meaningful your organization is to Portland and now the world.
Well, thank you. I'm so grateful. Thank you for inviting us to share our story, and thank you so much for your support of Friends of the Children Portland. Sydney, it means a lot.
Great. Thank you so much, Tracy.
Thank you.
Here we are in the great room at the Friends of the Children house. I was just noticing this house was purchased 20 years ago. So for years and years, this home has been used to mentor children, as Tracy and I were saying out front. But I wanted you to be able to see where the children actually gathered after school. They gathered here, and then they gathered around the table over here to play games, to read, to interact with each other. And then next we'll go into the kitchen so you can see where they learn to cook, and I'll show you the rest of the place. We can't wait to see who is going to form more wonderful memories in this home. Thank you.